Hello, I'd like to show you two ways to mask watercolour using art masking fluid, but also gum arabic. Art masking fluid is an effective medium to mask off areas in your painting. It lets you leave areas of white paper untouched by colour. However, gum arabic can also be used in a similar way, but with a slightly different end result. Brushes should be cleaned immediately after applying either of these fluids, and I'd recommend using an old brush when applying art masking fluid. I'm applying some art masking fluid and some gum arabic with a brush to a clean area of watercolour paper. I'll let both of those dry. Now that both circles are dry, I can apply a colour wash on top. You can see that the art masking fluid looks yellow and repels the wash, while the gum arabic holds the wash in a thin glossy layer. Once that wash is dry, I can remove the art masking fluid by rubbing with my finger, leaving a clean, hard edge of masked paper. Now for the gum arabic. By using a slightly damp synthetic brush, I can remove the watercolour easily. And this process can be finished by wiping the area lightly with a slightly damp piece of cotton or cloth. The result is a softer, masked off area, and a technique that's been used by artists like Turner. So here we can clearly see the difference in both masking methods. I hope you go away and try these techniques for yourself.